Hi, I'm ready for the alternative interview questions. Interview 9, AIQ, a Java console program. Read a positive integer and compute some or using a for loop. Compile. Interview 9, AIQ, a Java. Run. Interview 9, AIQ, a Java. Import Java util scanner. Ôi, doing public static void me string args. I will explain. I had to enter the positive integer. Use scanner system in system out range. Enter a positive integer. We get a positive integer and be set up if they had the whole number or to get ready. Yeah, let's see has long system out bring away invalid input. Please enter a whole number. We see close return enter more long messages for SC and be prepared long and let's see next long here and 0 system out bring error. Please enter a non-negative integer. Let's see close return long sum 0. Enter the long sum below with use for loop to accumulate sum for long I and I for sum was equal on system out print f sum of the natural numbers from 1 to d is 3 so is close and below is the sum message. The comments are in. And let's be prepared. Yeah, you are indeed wrong. If someone has a number from 1 to 1431, let's go make the way. There are positive comments throughout the message. Alternative question. Let's get to the recursion. In the call in the recursive method. Lots of comment. The GUI. Be prepared for the ready. I'm holding steady. Making it out for the comments. This is the end of part 1 of the first consecutive recording. But let's be prepared. But bye for part 1. Let's move to part two. Interview 9. AIQ B Java console program responsive integer and compute some one and using recursion and compile interview 9 AIQ B Java run interview 9 AIQ B import Java util scanner enter R string for recursion public static void main string parts scanner messages displayed below scanner SEU scanner system out print scanner a positive integer and here let's see have next int system out print invalid input please enter a whole number here let's see close return the input message below in and let's see next in zero system out bring out please enter a non-negative integer let's see close return call the recursive method long sum up to and system out bring sum of the natural numbers from 1 to the recursion is the n in sum is equal recursive f sum up to n equal n plus sum up to n 1 with base case sum up to 0 0 public static long sum up to int and if and 0 return 0 return long n plus sum up to n 1 going on the way. Let's go make it together. So now there was 114 recursion is 105. I'm forgetting the word to recursion 325. The process is finished with the exit code. Then let's go make the way. Let's get the example demo. Computing the system. Let's go make the way. But consecutive recording one is over. Let's go make the way. This is the end of this very recording. But for all. But so for now, bye. This is the end of part 2. Welcome to part one of Content Gaming 22. The Assembly Command Review. You go in 2015 builder. Control. Import Java FXE image. Yeah, yeah. But every version comes together. Review 9. RQC controller. Bear with. Ref with 420. 220. Children. V-box only meant tops of center spacing and for zero layout X 10 layout Y and ref width 400 and ref high 200 and anchor pane top anchor 10 anchor pane left anchor 10 anchor pane right anchor 10 anchor pane bottom anchor 10 children label text sum of natural numbers 1 and style fx font size 16 fx font weight equal each box spacing 8 alignment center children label text enter and text field fx id input field from text positive integer ref width 150 button text clear on action on clear here here children each box each box spacing and alignment center let children button text compute for loop on action on compute loop press with 160 button text compile recursion on action on compute recursion pref with 160 children each box label fx id result label text result will appear here wrap text true each box spacing and alignment center each box children image view fx id preview image fit with 120 fit height e reserve ratio 2 Let's continue. Label text optional screenshot interface 9 AIQ PNG chooser default chooser padding insert top A right A bottom A left A import Java FXD geometry starting the controller in the view 9 AIQ C controller Java controller for interview 9 AIQ C Java XML private text field input field is a private label result label XML private image view preview image called by compute for loop button XML private void on compute loop integer and parse input if and no return long sum 0 iterative sum using for loop for int I1 I and I plus the sum of I result label set text string format for loop result sum 1 d and sum call by compute recursion button XML private void on compute recursion integer and parse input and no return long sum recursive sum and result label set text string format recursion result sum 1 d and no so clear input and result XML private void on clear input field clear result label set text our results will appear here. Parse input show error message if invalid private integer parse input string text input field text If text no text trim trim, trim is empty, result label set text, please enter a number, return no, try in 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 integer first in text string if n 0 result label set text, please enter a non-negative integer, return no, return in cat number format exception in result label set text, invalid number, please enter an integer, return no, recursive some function private long recursive some int and if n 0 return 0 return long and plus recursive sum and minus 1 initialize method call rồi if there's a no loader after fields are injected if the fx amount private void initialize try loading optional image interview argue from same package resources place interview 9 argue png next to class file or in resources on class try image new image get class get resource string interview 9 argue png preview image image imd can't exception in image not found that fine we silently ignore preview image set image no don't make it I have to say okay I'm setting a text let's go make it up right import Java more JavaFX imports coming through the way every scene control button. Import Java for every scene control label. Import Java every scene control text field. Import Java every scene image. Import Java every scene image field. Correct. Moving to the C. In the review 9, AIQ C Java FX application launcher. Make sure Java FX is on the module path or class path. Run example non-modular Java C module path to Java FX web and module Java FX control Java FX HTML Java module path to Java FX web and module Java FX control Java FX HTML Java import Java FX application import Java FX exam npm loader import Java FX scene hearing import Java FX scene import Java FX stage extends application override public void start stage primary stage throws exception XML loader view XML loader get resource here view AIQ C XML parent root loader load primary stage set file one for loop and recursion primary stage CP UC root primary stage set refillable false primary stage show public static void main string or launch args. I'm done. The end of concept. Again, recording 2. Bye.